the rainforest. I thought we'd begin shortly. Thank you. Hey, buddy, I'm ready for the show, but I need a bit of help. Sorry. Hey, friend, uncle. Hey, buddy, have you seen? Wow, that guy, he moves so fast. Oh, oops. Hello. Let me see. You, sir, help me out. Have you seen this place before? Hold up. Where are my manners? My name is Lamouche. What's your name, sir? Sham. Nice to meet you, Sham. And I'm a big land developer. Now, I've been searching for this place that they call the Rainforest for a very long time. Now, I hear it has the longest flowing river, and this will actually bring me good fortune for my business. But, of course, when I find this place, there will be, how do I put this, a couple of adjustments that I've got to make in order to make it work, right? Well, the first thing that I've got to do is cut down all those trees and then chase away all those pesky, disgusting animals, and after that, I will build a gigantic shopping complex and make lots of money! Sham, I thought I heard wrongly, but were you booing me? Were they booing me? Alright, I know what just happened. You guys didn't think it just complete the body. Let me repeat what I just said. You guys didn't hear me right the first time. I said, when I find this place, I'm gonna build a gigantic shopping complex and make lots of money! Sham, would you like to join me? No. Why not? You don't like money, clothes, jewelry? No? You don't? What are you gonna do with trees? Hey, sorry. Does anybody here want to join me? No. Who was booing me? Who booed me? Oh, okay. You man. Yes, you. In blue. I saw.
In between the beginning and the end lies the time. We have now. Take your stand against destruction and join it as the rainforest fights back.
Wow! Hello everyone! My name is Kai, and this is the beautiful rainforest I share with all of my friends. So come on everyone, join us to celebrate the life of the rainforest.
lives of the rainforest shares a special relationship with the jungle. They do only what they needed and maintain the delicate balance of nature. Modern man has destroyed half the planet's rainforest. At this rate, in 30 years, all of the rainforests of the world will vanish forever. Rainforests can be found as far as Latin America, Africa, as well as Asia. This beautiful rainforest that you are sitting in contains parts from all of them and belong to the whole world. The creatures soar, stumble, and thrive.
Hey, that's boy, our spider monkey. Watch as he moves across those vines and look at that freehand-sound tail. Now that tail is able to support his full body weight when he hangs down from the trees. Spider monkeys just like boy are found in the rainforest of South America. Hey boy! Come on over! It's so nice to see you. Go find all of your friends, okay? Bye-bye! Oh, look over here! That's Helga, our female pigtailed macaque. I love it when she shows up. That means she will be plucking some coconuts. Just in time, Helga. I'm really thirsty. Just give that tree a good shake. 2 more to go. Now monkeys like Helga have small enough hands to slide through a tight bunch of coconuts. Yeah, that's so fun! Now I can enjoy my sweet coconut water. Thanks,
The
Helga.
smallest of ants carry mountains on their shoulders. The hefty elephants trample on the earth to create new path to wonder. Like lightning, the cheetah cuts through the sense of time, determining day and night. Until
Hey you! Funny looking one, what's your name? You, what's your name?
My name is Kai.
My name is Bamush. Nice to meet you, Kai. Hey! Hi, right? Hi! You still around here, right? Have you seen this place before? Upside down. Sorry. Have you seen this place before? I've been looking for this place for some time now. I've not had any luck locating it, and no one here seems to want to help me. That's you guys over there. Yes? Not helpful at all. And you know what, man? If you take me there, I will give you something really cool. Something you just can't resist. I will give you, let me see. There we go. I will give you this.
What is that?
Huh?
What's this?
You don't know what this is? Seriously? Yeah, even better. But this is what we call the potato chip. It's something very, very valuable where I come from. Worth as much as gold. Yeah.
Are you sure?
You still don't get it. It's food. You can eat it. Put it in your mouth. Nom 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 nom. Yummy.
Oh,
Yeah.
yummy
Yeah,
food!
oh, you love food, don't you? Weirdo. Yeah.
Thank
Hey,
you.
take me there first.
Of course I know where this place is. Come on, follow me!
You see, I don't need any of you. You guys can keep moving, but I'm gonna be rich. Hey, wait up, woman.
intrigued by his fancies, Kai leads Babush unwittingly into the heart of the rainforest, closer to the destruction of the place she calls home. And the rainforest god, the secret bond between man and nature. Since the beginning of time, the rainforest has held the symbol of power and mystery. It's sheltered, fed, and healed.
Hey, Babush! A little bit more, come on! Come here! This is the place!
move very fast. Hey, not bad. You're a little bit smarter than you look. You don't sit here, let me tell you, the first thing that I'm going to do is get rid of everything over here. And this whole higher ground thing has to be leveled completely. I don't like heights, yeah.
Oh, what do you mean? This is my home.
Not anymore. Sorry, I'll build you a nice ATV flat. You and your friends all can say, hey, hold on, talking about friends. Is that your friend? Hey, buddy, come here, join us.
That's an orangutan.
Not a man.
Not a man.
Look at he's got hands and feet and everything. Just like Sean.
Like yours too.
Oh.
But with longer fingers and toes. Indonesian farmers thought that they were men. In fact, orangutan means man of the jungle.
Man of the jungle. Hey, my wife, check it out. The bushes, there's another one and it's bigger.
Oh, that's Buddy.
Hold on. What's Buddy doing to that coconut?
He's asking it using his strong jaws and bare hands.
Without any tool.
No tools.
That's impossible.
No, it's not. An orangutan is 5 times stronger than you or me. Watch.
And all orangutans can do this.
Of course.
Hey, what do you say orangutan meant again?
Orangutan means man of the jungle.
Bila, no need to show drama. Man of the jungle. Hey, come on, follow me. Hurry up, this way.
Oh, where are you going?
I'm going to get that orangutan.
What for?
To make honey and fill out the lipstick to me.
Money? Will that make you happy?
I mean, you make me happy too, yes, but money does make me very happy. In fact, the richer I become, the more happier I will be. Hey, come on, Maya, hurry up before it gets away. Oh, will you stop smelling the flowers?
They smell better than you.
Frog! I don't like frogs. Come on, Maya, hurry up before it gets away.
Wait for me!
Oh, sorry. I thought the boy in the yellow shirt was orangutan. Sorry. Hey, woman. What's that smell? Oh, it's you.
No, it's you. Look what you stepped on. Yuck!
What on earth is this? Ew! Disgusting. Smell it.
No. I think you just stepped on elephant dung.
Dumb.
Yes. Elephant dung is really useful. Small animals like birds will feed on the undigested roots and seeds.
Dumb is useful? Seriously?
Babush. Oh, look! Hey!
Huh?
That's a cockatoo. Over there.
What?
Behind us. Oh.
Crazy.
What?
The bird! You're impressed by that? Funny look. You know what? Since all of you guys are so easily impressed, let me show you guys something really impressive. Hey, Mike, say hello. Oh, my hat. Hold on, let me put my hat on first. There you go. Say hello to my little friend.
What on earth is that?
This is a chainsaw. It's a modern piece of equipment, and I'm about to do some renovation to this place. But first, let's turn it on. Hey, stupid machine. There you go.
Hey!
Everything young chainsaw wing.
What are you doing? You're scaring all the animals. You stop it!
This is an expensive shirt. $10 no.
What have you done?
One down, everything has to go. I should have gotten that sharp guy I met earlier. Don't move. I will protect you from the gigantic rat.
That's not a rat. It's an Asian small claw otter. Hey, Penny, come on.
Meow!
It's the waterfall. It has dried up. She has nowhere to go now. This is all your fault.
The red fault.
The otter. It's your fault.
My fault? Who cares about any of these anyway? Everything here can go to a why are things flying? Hey! Why is there a coconut being thrown at me?
I think it's a group of ring-tailed lemurs who live out there in the forest and they don't like you.
Don't like me. I'm the most likable person in the world.
You're scared.
I'm not scared. Are they gone? Oh man, this place is really getting to me. What? What the? This is outrageous!
as the rainforest triumphs against those who comes with the selfish ones. Watch as it slowly comes back to life. Where there is water, there will be life.
The lemurs who defended the rainforest, they're back. And the ducks are home too. Hey little ones, come on, let's go get in. Now I think our home is finally safe. So this calls for a celebration. Oh,
the rainforest. Remember, what goes around comes back around. What affects them will also hurt you. Save them, save yourself. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we come to the end of our annual presentation, The Rainforest Fights Back. Let's be the cast and crew that made this show possible. Right in front of us, Julene as Kai. In the waters, Tinas as Babush. And the animal trainers that made the show possible. Over to our right is Tasha with the Ringtail Lemur. On my left, Romeo with our salt-crested cockatoo. And that's Ramiro with our pigtail macaque. And of course, not forgetting the very talented Tuluaka. This show is probably brought to you by StarHab. My name is Felix. Thank you for joining us. Have a wonderful day right here in the Savory Zoo. Take care, everybody. Goodbye. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, don't go away just yet, as we are inviting everyone to join us right here on the stage for a special photography session together with the cast and crew and a very beautiful snake that I'm holding right now. So for those of you who would like to have your pictures taken, all you have to do is to bring your cameras, join us on the right hand side of the stage.